The impact of the drastic changes carried out by the Donald Trump administration on the U.S. Agency for International Development, Usaid or USAID, continue to be felt in Kenya and beyond.
That's right. Now, Kenya is ranked 5th highest beneficiary of U.S. assistance and stands to be impacted by these changes affecting the 60 years of USAID in Kenya. We get more from our very own Brenda Wanga.
For 60 years, Kenya, alongside tens of other countries across the globe, have been dependent on aid from the American government through Usaid. The source of those funds has now been abruptly shut, leaving hundreds of governmental and non-governmental organizations in limbo. Usaid was born in the United States during the administration of the then Democrat President John F. Kennedy during the Cold War.
Usaid was founded in 1961 to be the primary U.S. foreign assistance agency for the United States. It works in over 80 countries around the world presently and manages a budget of around $40 billion.
Over the years, Usaid has worked to promote global stability, counter the Soviet influence, and support U.S. foreign policy through humanitarian efforts. The initiative it funds have played a key role in combating the HIV and AIDS epidemic, providing emergency food aid, supporting democratic governance, and fostering economic growth in developing nations.
Our goal is to help save lives through humanitarian response and to help promote economic development and well-being through programs in health and education, social services, as well as then to improve food security and agriculture, to promote clean energy, and to preserve the environment.
Last year alone, Kenya was a beneficiary of some 84.1 billion shillings to more than 230 institutions for the activities relating to its core functions. Amongst those outfits that received substantial amounts of money included the World Food Programme, who got 15.6 billion shillings, the Agriculture Cooperative Development at 5 billion shillings, Catholic Relief at 2.7 billion shillings, World Vision 2.3 billion shillings, Liverpool VCT 2.1 billion shillings, the Moi Teaching and Referral Hospital 2 billion shillings, Amref's Health 1.5 billion shillings, Mission for Essential Drugs and Supplies 751 million shillings, the Kenya Conference of Catholic Bishops 280 million shillings, and KMTC 153 million shillings, amongst others. Other organizations received a combined 8.3 billion shillings in funding. Cumulatively, Kenya has received 1.26 trillion shillings as aid from USAID from 2001 to 2024, the bulk of which has gone to HIV/AIDS interventions, emergency response to drought and floods, maternal and child health, and food security programs.
First item that President Trump is signing is the rescission.
Trump government's changes in the administration of the Foreign Aid Agency is set to alter how the world superpower exercises its soft power and the impact it has on the lives of millions who depend on it. Brenda Wanga, Citizen TV.